Victor Spiritual Teaching, Chapter 19, Inner Truth and External Deception. As consciousness rises and the influence of the ego vanishes, so does interest in the media, whether it is the mainstream media or social media. Interest in the worldly environment steadily decreases as consciousness rises. There are times when news from the mainstream media has a great negative effect on the person concerned and often creates a lot of anger, hatred, and sadness in his heart, because the person knows that this is mostly a deception designed to create fear and division. Anyone who has opened their eyes to this deception can become angry and hurt by such reporting. But these symptoms will pass as a person progresses along the spiritual path, and eventually such news and media cease to affect him, and he will eventually stop paying attention to it. This also applies to the so-called conspiracy theories that many people are spreading on social media. In many of them there is a grain of truth, while in others there is a controlled opposition to create a great fear for the awakened, so that he slows down the spiritual development and remains in the world of fear and deception. It is best to ignore all of this, and it will happen automatically, because the interest in all such things will also fade away and eventually disappear. He begins to live life through his feelings and experiences, and at that same time his mind slows down, and the need to define what is going on in life decreases slowly and will eventually disappear. These are a sign of a great progress and a great success in the spiritual awakening and opening. The goal is to learn to enjoy every moment and experience in life through the emotions. Anyone who stops following news coverage, whether it is from mainstream media or social media, will speed up their journey and make greater progress in less time. Everything that is outside the body and in the environment leads the mind out of the body and distributes the attention outward and away from the inside. Spiritual awakening and openness take place within each and every one of us, so it is always best to be aware of yourself and your thoughts, which happen by looking inwards. The truth lies within every one of us, and one's experience and feeling are in one's heart. Most external things are limited truth and or deception. The same applies to the spiritual books and other spiritual materials. As the consciousness rises, the person goes further in their spiritual opening, the interest in spiritual knowledge decreases. The more the opening increases, the less interest there is in such a subject, because the person now has access to the inner wisdom, and he knows what he wants to know without always being aware of where the knowledge comes from. When the soul has emerged and is more connected to the mind, then the inner wisdom of the soul is revealed. Thus, the need and desire for external knowledge disappear. The wisdom of the soul is undeniable and simple and requires no further explanation. In the same way, all the questions that person had in the beginning of the spiritual awakening decreases, because now the answers come unconsciously as well as consciously. Often messages come to the mind that are very clear and definite, and there is no doubt when they appear. But messages also come unconsciously, and the person knows the things without realizing where they came from. It also becomes easy to distinguish truth from deception in communication with other people, because the eyes have been opened to the truth, and thus the deception becomes easily recognizable when it appears, whether it is from media of all kinds or from other people.